A pickup truck overturned, claiming the lives of at least 14 individuals and leaving 20 others injured. The unfortunate incident occurred near Bajjar Ghat around 1:30 a.m. when the driver lost control of the vehicle in Madhya Pradesh's Dindori on Thursday morning. The victims, who had earlier attended a program in Amhai Day-Free village within the district's Shahpura block, were returning when the accident transpired. The casualties comprised 7 men, 6 women and a minor boy, according to the police. Upon receiving information about the calamity, the Dindori collector and superintendent of police swiftly rushed to the scene to assist the victims. The injured individuals are currently receiving medical attention at Shahpura Community Health Center, as confirmed by Dindori District Collector Vikas Mishra, Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav expressed condolences over the tragic incident and announced financial aid of ₹4 lakh each for the families of the victims. In response to the crisis, Cabinet Minister Sampatiya UK has been dispatched in Dindori. In an official statement from the MPCM's handle, it was noted Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has expressed a deep condolence over the untimely demise of many precious lives in a vehicle accident in Dindori district. He wishes peace to the departed souls and strength to the family members to bear this loss. The Chief Minister's office further conveyed the Chief Minister said that financial assistance of ₹4 lakh each will be provided to the families of those injured in the incident. Instructions have been given to the district administration for proper treatment of the injured. As the investigation into the incident unfolds, authorities are working diligently to understand the circumstances that led to the tragic overturning of the pickup truck in Dindori.